Alright. I want to try out the SpongeBob game. Now that has me more interested, the SpongeBob gun game, than
In the yacht.
than Ballistic. Oh, have I got that? That's really cute. That.
It is.
I think from last season, I think. Or before that.
What, the Guff thing? Have I got it? I don't know. I don't
I
know
think it's from
whether
the
I've
Battle
got it.
Pass. It's called the Skate Monster.
Rapster's voice is very quiet for me.
You can turn it
Can you
up
hear me
on.
okay?
You can turn it up on Discord.
Discord?
Lost me up to
Oh,
200.
we're in a game now, so I can't tap it.
Alright, okay.
I've got it on full screen, so.
Alright, yeah, I don't use full screen as such.
Reed's playing Division 3 ME. I saw his tweet he was looking for people to play with.
Reach.
Hopefully there's Elo Reed. He's an EU.
Yeah.
NA. Reed.
Yeah. So, are you going to land like here, Robster, and I'll maybe land?
Yeah.
I'm gonna land here.
Okay. I found that spot purely by chance. I was going to land behind where Nana is.
Oh.
And then I went on the hill and then thought, oh my god, there's like 3 chests there and some barrels. But it might be a lot more contested than it was on NA, I don't know.
Definitely, I think the metal place we found out was contested.
Yeah, but we don't need that, really.
No, we gotta stay away from it.
Yeah.
It was our downfall. Wait, oh, someone's going. Someone's landing in the center of the. Yeah, there's already people landed in metal. 2 on the ground near where I would land. Hopefully, I don't get shot at. Yeah.
Behind it, or?
Yeah, they are fighting, so they must be contested by metal. I can hear the fighting sounds.
Yeah, I can.
I'm gonna get this one first, the God chest first, and get out of here quickly. Container.
I'm trying to get some metal while I'm here. Okay, I've got 200 metal.
Nice.
From your fishing spot? Oh, from out the barrels, okay.
No, not from the metal bit.
It's like a house, right?
No, walls. Metal walls. I don't know with everyone here whether it's actually worth fishing or not, or whether that's too dangerous.
I think we'll be fine where you are.
Depends whether they rotate round here.
Well, they would have seen me flying if the guys on the bottom of the metal place would have seen me flying in, but I think people landed on top because there was fighting, so see how far I make it.
I don't know whether to just play safe or to do any fishing.
Hang on. Oh, someone's here.
Where are you? Okay. Maybe just hide.
I can't. They're shooting at me.
Oh.
Oh, they got me. I was katanaing and they got me.
I've got some shieldfish here if you wanted to carry them, Robster. I don't know whether you...
That's some minis.
Okay, I've got 6 minis.
I think they were up here and came down, so
Yeah.
be careful.
I'm thinking I should just hide, really, at this point.